place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
So ayan, ngayon meron tayong bagong motor guys. Bagong hiram pala. Ayan, sa kanya to. The all new Sniper 155cc guys, 2021 model. Ayan. So finally nagkaroon tayo ng tropa na merong gantong unit at nakahiram tayo. Wow, putik. Bagong linis pa naman. Ayan, so guys, finally nakadrive tayo ng bagong Sniper guys. The all new Sniper 155 2021 guys. This is all new. Lahat dito halos bago. Okay? So mamaya pag-usapan natin guys, ano ba yung difference niya sa lumang Sniper and dun sa Sniper 155R, because this is the standard version. First na notice ko is the power delivery. Ayan. Ibang-iba siya sa version 1, version 2 na Sniper, because nagkaroon ako ng version 1 and then ngayon version 2 and then ngayon ito version 3 or all new, whatever you wanna call it. Unang-unang pagbira ko ng throttle, pansin ko kagad yung pagkakaiba niya, yung power delivery, yung torque, yung power ng motor. Ayan. And then yung shifting niya napaka-smooth ng clutch, napakalambot, because this is already slipper clutch and assist clutch. Ayan. So lahat ng meron to guys bago, from the previous model. Lahat ng to, kung sabi ko nga do sa unang vlog ko dati, kung wala pa kayong Sniper guys, this is a good motorcycle. Ngayon kung tulad ko, meron na ako version 2, binihisan ko na, you can live with it. Okay? Pero kung first timer ka magkakamotor, man, Sniper 155, the best. Okay? So 155cc, tapos ang gaan niya. Okay? I think parang engine ng ano to, R15 or NT15. Basta ano siya, same sila halos ng power delivery. Okay? And ng horsepower. Horsepower dito is around 17.8. Okay? That one is around 15.8 something. Okay? Ang torque dito 14.4. Yun, ang version 2 is 13.8. Ayan. And then yung compression ratio niya 10.5:1. Yung dati naman 10.4:1. So mas mataas yung compression ratio. Okay? So yung max power nito nasa 9,500 RPM. Max torque nasa 8,000 RPM. So nag-increase siya ng 1,000 RPM compared do sa old version. Okay? So dun pa lang talagang malalaman mo na guys na, dun pa lang talagang malaki na yung pinagkaiba ng engine nito. Okay? And it's already VVA. Ayan, variable valve actuation. So napansin ko ang VVA niya nasa 7,500 RPM. Ayun, doon siya nag-activate. And then this is already 6-speed manual transmission. Okay, so nadagdagan siya ng isang gear. So that means more top speed, di ba? Ayan, no? Grabe yung acceleration niya. Grabe. Malakas na yung version 2. Wala akong masabi yan, malakas yan. Pero ito pagka na-ride nyo to, ma-feel nyo kagad yung difference. And this is more compact. Mas maiksi siya ng konti doon sa version 2. And then mas mababa siya. Yung ground clearance niya mababa ng 5mm. And yung length niya mas maikli siya. Okay? And then pansin ko rin, ang baba ng handlebar niya, aggressive type. Okay? Unlike do sa version 2 na medyo mataas, medyo relax. Okay? And then yung dito niya, yan, medyo mababa din. Dati halos nayayakap ng legs ko yung ano yung body niya. Ngayon ang baba niya. Yung ground clearance mababa din, I think for ginawa yun for aerodynamic, so mas mababa yung motor. So yung fuel tank nito 5.4 liters compared to my version 2 na 4 point something, 4.2, mga ganun. Yeah, so more mileage on this. Ayan. So mamaya check natin kung ilan to kilometer per liter niya. Tapos guys, yun naman difference ito 155 standard sa 155R. Okay, the R has keyless system. Okay, meron siyang charging port, and then yung brake niya sa harap is dual piston. Okay, so ito single lang and then yung seat nun iba rin, medyo sporty. So yun ang difference, the same engine, the same slipper clutch, assist clutch, 6-speed, pareho lang, liquid cooled, 4 bulbs. So yun, nung bago sa akin si Sniper, okay, version 2, na-feel ko agad yung preno niya sa harap is napakahina guys. Kaya nagpalit ako agad ng RCB na dual piston. Wala nun, okay na siya. Pero to, stock, single caliper, single piston caliper. Malakas naman siya guys, ayan ayan. Compared dun sa version 2, which is gusto ko yung preno niya. Ayan may bite kagad, walang delay. Okay, though yung sa rear okay din naman, pero hindi ako ganong gumagamit ng rear brake, more on front lang ako. Depende lang kung talagang sudden brake. Ayan. Pero mamaya we will test the front and the rear, and then we will test the acceleration 0 to 100. Okay, tapos try natin guys i-top speed kung merong pagkakataon, kung walang ganong sasakyan dito. Okay, so yun, acceleration 0 to 100, top speed, tsaka brake test. Okay guys, so about the seat, so yung quality ng seat okay naman, same lang din nung previous na Sniper. Comfy naman, palambot naman, wala nang problema. At yung foot pegs medyo may pagka-aggressive ng konti. Okay, medyo nakatupi yung pako, compared dun sa version 2 na napaka-relax yung ergonomics. So all in all guys, iba yung ergonomics nito sa version 2. Okay, this is more aggressive than the previous Sniper. So on tires nito and wheels, the same specs, 17-inch wheels, and then front tire is 90 by 80, and then yung rear wheel naman is 120 by 70. So same specs guys. Ang wheelbase ito the same din, same length ng wheelbase. Okay, same seat height. Ang difference lang niya yung ground clearance and the overall length. Mas maiksi ito and mas mababa to. Unang pagkakaiba nito guys is the headlight. As you can see, hindi na siya kamukha nung dati na triple lamps. Okay, ngayon isa na lang siya. And then the DRL, iba rin, mas aggressive siya guys. Okay, so pareho pa rin LED yan. Fortunately yung signal lights halogen bulb pa rin. Okay, so sana ginawa ng LED. Okay, sana ginawa ng LED para lahat LED na, diba? The same time yung overall look nito iba na rin sa side. Mas siya, ayan may mga parang aerodynamic something. Okay, so mas aero tong style niya compared dun sa lumang Sniper. Ayan, so grabe traffic dito. Ngayon tayo makikita si Sniper sa comfort test. Ayan. So far okay pa naman, comfortable naman siya kahit na medyo may pagka-aggressive siya. Ayan. And about the suspensions naman guys, front and rear suspension, medyo nag-improve to. Nag-improve yung suspension niya compared dun sa version 2, yung front niya. Pero still hindi pa rin ako satisfied. Okay, pero meron siyang konting improvement. Hindi na siya ganong lumalagotok. Okay, paminsan-minsan pag medyo malalim yung lubak, yan, pero hindi na kamukha ng dati. Sa rear naman, sa rear suspension niya medyo bouncy pa rin. So yun yung mga kailangan palitan usually, yung rear suspension, tapos pa-retune mo yung front suspension mo, papalit mo ng oil or ng spring. Ayan, so very minor lang naman yun. Importante yung makina nito, which is all new 155cc, di ba? Lakas. Iba to, iba. Ang lakas guys, ang lakas. Even from naka high gear na ako, Meron pa rin siya talagang ano, power. Ang ingay ng motor ko. Ayan. So, ang isa pang nagustuhan ko guys, sleeper clutch and assist clutch. Okay, so yung downshift niya, ayan, rev match tayo. Ayan o, napaka smooth. Okay, so yung engine brake niya mas maganda. Okay, at the same time yung pag-shift no, dahil sleeper clutch na siya, and then meron din siyang assist clutch, mas maganda, mas smooth yung transition niya. Kada shift ng gear mas maganda. Ayan, maganda, panalo to. And then the price of this is 120k yung 155R, and the standard is 112 or 114. I'm not sure. Mamaya i-check natin guys. So overall guys, this is a fun bike. Okay, ang sarap niyang gamitin. Kung first time ang bibili, panalo to. Consider buying this bike. Okay, ayun oh, grabe yung acceleration niya, napakaganda, napakalakas. Woo! Lupit. Mag-enjoy ako dito, ano. Goodbye na ba version 2? Bibenta na ba natin? Hindi, okay yun. Kikip ko yan guys. So kasi sayang naman na nabihisan ko na, diba? Pero kung sabi ko nga, kung wala pang sniper, eto, version 3 ka, or all new 155cc. Panalo to. Dash naman niya, iba na rin. As you can see, on the yung upper left, yung gear indicator, and then sa gitna yung RPM niya. RPM limit is 10,500 or 11,000. Okay? And then the middle, you can see the speedometer. Ayan. Tapos on the lower right, you can see the fuel mileage, and then at the bottom you can see the average fuel consumption, trip A, trip B, your odometer, your clock. Okay, so shout out nga pala Bristol Motorcycles. Ito, suit ko yung binigay nila. Okay, so Bristol Motorcycles dyan sa may San Fernando, Pampanga, Dolores. So shout out sa inyo, and shout out to Renz Motovlog. Ayan, so sniper user din yan, version 2 sniper niya. So shout out sa'yo. Good luck sa vlogging career mo. Alright guys, so ito, the all new 155cc sniper. Ayan no, napakaangas. Tingnan nyo naman no, napakaangas ng ano niya, ng mukha niya, especially dito. Mas aggressive siya. Okay, so I think let's open it. Ayan. So, ito yung pinaka DRL niya, and then the headlight will be this. Try natin ha. Para makita natin yung high beam, low beam. Ayan. So, ito yung low beam niya. Okay, so ito yung low beam niya, and then high beam natin. And then this is the high beam. Nasa ilalim pala yung high beam niya. Okay, so akala ko kanina high beam, low beam sa taas. So, low beam pala sa taas, high beam sa baba, and then with the DRLs. Ganda. Unfortunately, halogen pa yung ano niya, side signal lights. Okay, but the good thing is meron na siyang built-in engine guard, which is hindi ka na mag-upgrade. Ayan ayos. And then yung front brake niya guys, napakaganda. Okay, so yung front brake niya malakas, kahit di ka na mag-upgrade guys. Kasi ako, nung sa version 2 nag-upgrade ko kasi sobrang hina. Pero ngayon gusto ko siya, malakas siya. And then same specs ng tires. Okay, yeah, 120/70. Okay, Maxxis. Okay, so the same swim arm. Okay, but I think mas malaki yung ano niya, yung sprocket niya, rear sprocket niya is 46. Ano. And then yung seat niya, okay, napakaganda rin. I think mas maganda yung styling nito kumpara sa version 2. Okay, pero I heard that yung version R niya is mas sportier yung seat. Okay, and then sa grab bar, iba na rin yung style. Okay, and then the tail light, ito pinaka gusto ko guys, para siyang R6 R1 style. Okay, unfortunately halogen pa rin. So Yamaha, please, sana sa next update nito LED na sana. Ayan. So fender, iba na rin. Okay, so yung muffler, so muffler design, iba na rin. I think mas mahaba tong ano niya, engine muffler cover niya, mas mahaba siya, hanggang dito siya. Okay, so yung head iba na rin. Okay, and what else? Ito, fairings niya guys, meron siyang ano rito, mga grills. Okay, so meron siyang space dito for the air. Okay, so more aerodynamic. Ayan, meron din siya dito. Okay, so mas manipis to guys ha. Mas manipis yung all new 155 na few millimeters kumpara sa old version na Sniper. Okay, so yan, makikita mo dito. So yan, also dito meron siyang parang mga grills. So dyan papasok yung hangin. Yung front panel naman niya, ito, newly designed panel. Ayan, so mas clear to guys, mas malinaw to. Okay, I think mas malaki din. And then the same, meron siyang pass light. Okay, meron siyang hazard. Okay, meron siyang kill switch. Okay, so ayan, kanina, ilan ba tayo kanina? Ayan, so yung fuel mileage niya is 45.2 km per liter. So matipid na siya. Guys, so ayan, face off version 2 versus the all new 155cc Sniper. Ayan, so you choose guys. Ito bang luma o itong bago? Okay, so ayan, pareho silang pogi guys, parehong malakas, parehong pogi. So may mga changes lang dito sa bago na wala sa luma. Okay, may mga magandang specs to na na-add na wala dito. So in short, improvement ng specs, ng power, and ng looks. Ayan. So yun nga, suggest kung meron kayong version 2 na nakasetup na, stay with your version 2. Ngayon kung wala pa kayong motor at gusto nyo magka-motor, go with the Sniper 155. Ayan. So you can see the headlight. Ayan. Ito namang version 2. Okay, so yung difference nya guys. Okay, so ito triple lamp magkakasama. Ito naman triple lamp, low beam, ito sa high beam sa ilalim. Okay, so yung DRL nya, iba na rin yung style. So meron siyang shape, I mean meron siyang ano dito, papaganon, compare dito na straight lang. Okay, so ayan. And then ano pang ibang changes nito? 5 speed, 6 speed, slipper clutch, assist clutch, VVA, and then ito hindi siya slipper clutch, hindi siya assist clutch. Okay, wala siyang VVA, and then 5 speed siya. Okay, pero pareho silang liquid cooled, pareho silang 4 valves. Okay, mataas ang horsepower nito, 17.8, ito 15.8 yata, I think. And then torque is 14.4, and then torque is 13.8. So ngayon, front brake tayo guys, 60 km per hour. Okay, walang skid. Nice. Okay, so rear naman tayo guys, 60 km per hour. Nice, walang skid ha. Surprisingly. Ang lakas din ng likod ha. Ngayon, both tayo guys from 60. Wow, wow, iba yung stopping power ng bagong Sniper. Panalo. Isa pa 70. Wow. Okay guys, so both front and rear walang skid. Okay, so I tried yung front alone, wala ring skid. Yung rear alone, wala ring skid. And then yung pinagsabay ko, ang lakas ng stopping power niya, nagtataka ako ha. Hindi ganito yung version 2, 0 to 100. Okay, so let's go. Okay, 100. So I think fourth gear lang kaya ng 100 eh, pero nag-shift pa ako ng isa. Okay, so top speed tayo. Medyo clear naman dito eh. Okay, so let's go. fifth gear, 113. May sakyan na eh. May isang gear pa ako. Ulitin natin guys, ulitin natin. Okay. May sakyan na eh. Pero lakas niya ha. Lakas niya. Fifth gear pa lang yun. Okay guys, so let's try again. So kanina 115 fifth gear. By the way guys, ang RPM limit pala nito is 12,000 na. So I thought ano siya? I thought 10,000 lang or 11. So sumasagad siya guys hanggang 12,000. Okay, third gear. Fourth gear. Full throttle. Fifth. Sixth. One 22. 123. Okay. Galing. Lakas. Woo! 124, around 125 gano'n. Lakas ha. So stock yun, medyo mahangin pa. Okay guys, so yun. Naka first attempt tayo. Yung first attempt was I think 119 or 120. Yung second attempt 124 or 125. Yan. So medyo bitin yung daan eh. Pero I think and for sure kaya pa niyang sumagad ng 130 kung medyo mahaba yung daan. Okay? And na-surprise ako yung RPM limit niya nagre-red line ng 12,000. Kaya pala ang haba ng mga gearing niya. Okay? So siguro kung mas mahabang daan, kaya niya 130 to 135 depende sa rider. Ako kasi medyo mabigat ako, 90 kilograms ako. Pero yung power niya guys, gustong gusto ko na. From third gear, kaya niya mag 100 plus. Okay? So may fourth, may fifth, may 6 ka pa. So yan, panalo. Alright guys, so ito kasama ko si Ralph. Siya yung may-ari na all new 155cc na Sniper. So we will do some interview lang kung ano yung mga first impression niya and feedback sa motor nung na-try niya. So tara. Bro, basta? Yeah, so ito si Ralph. Kumusta naman yung Sniper mo nung pagkakuha mo, nung pagka-test ride mo? Ano yung unang na-feel mo?
Ayun, malaking pagbabago yung na-feel ko, no? Dati kasi bago ako nag-Sniper,
okay.
Naka-NMAX ako ng version 2.
NMAX version 2, okay.
Yun, tapos ang laki ng pagbabago sa sa performance, lalo na sa torque,
okay.
And speed, ganun.
So iba-iba?
Iba-iba. Tapos, syempre sa looks.
Sa looks?
Yan, maangas na maangas. Kaya na-inlove ako nung unang pakita yan sa YouTube. Na-inlove na ako eh. Sabi ko, paglabas nito sa Pilipinas, ibibenta ko talaga yung version 2 NMAX.
Dapat first sight, no?
Yeah.
Sino ba hindi ma-inlove dito? Tingnan mo naman, no? Napaka-pogi, di ba?
Shoutout ko nga pala yung anak ko, tsaka yung asawa ko. Siyempre, si Ma'am Cho.
Ayun, Ma'am Cho, ayan. Sino ba?
Yung mga tropa ko dyan, hello sa inyong lahat. Subscribe kayo kay Captain Paul.
Ayun, thank you. Okay guys, so that's about it. So maraming salamat sa panonood. See you on my next vlog. Please subscribe kung nagustuhan niyo yung video. Click the bell icon para mas kayo sa mga vlogs ko, mas updated kayo. Okay, so see you guys. Keep safe. God bless. Bye-bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad,
Yeah.
baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like